up, my peoples? Today we're back and working on the Lexus, and we're gonna see what we can get done today under there. I'm gonna go ahead and take off the hood and see what we can do. Hood is off. Now we can see what we are working with. So the goal is to take off the harness and brackets and stuff we don't need, so we could sand down the engine bay and paint it. Also take off the fenders and headlights, and then mask off what we don't want to get paint on. So I'll be right back while I do that. So this is where I'm pretty much at. I pretty much just need to mask off and take off what I don't want to get anything painted on, and then sand this down and give it a good coat of paint. And I'm just gonna be going with black. Alright, so this is where I'm at. I masked off a little bit. I sanded down a little bit of this, and I took off the cowl. I think what I'm gonna do is do like half of it and then half. So this is where I'm at. I got half of this section done. Tomorrow morning I'm gonna let this dry overnight. Tomorrow morning I'm gonna get that section, and then hopefully this whole section, and we should be good. So this is where I'm at. I'm pretty much done painting the whole engine bay. I just need this to dry. I did half of this and half of this. I'm gonna go ahead and start putting everything together on this side and let this side dry. So engine bay is now fully painted and complete. Now I'm gonna go ahead and start putting things back on. I kind of already started. I will finish putting the rest together off camera, but for now I did receive a bunch of gaskets and O-rings to finish off the motor. So I got some crush washers, some O-rings, some gaskets, a new thermostat, some exhaust manifold gaskets. So pretty much refresh all the outside, because I haven't done much of the outside, mostly just inside. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off the turbo and the manifold and get in there. Okay, so where this water pipe goes to, right here to this housing, there's a gasket that goes right there, and the old one you can see is pretty much paper. And then this one's brand new, so ready to go. It's gonna install it right there. And over here, there's another O-ring right there that I'm gonna replace. As you can see, there's an O-ring right here, and then there's a gasket right here. Everything is nice and tight. New exhaust gaskets are on. I'm gonna go ahead and put my manifold back on and turbo. So this is back together and looking pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off the manifold over here and see what gaskets I need to replace over here. So we have access over here now, so I'm gonna go ahead and take off the oil filter housing and replace this O-ring back here. I was supposed to replace these crush washers, but I ordered the wrong ones. So here's the O-ring we will be replacing with a new one. That is now complete. I did go ahead and tighten a bunch of sensors and bolts that I had loose on this side as well, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put my intake manifold back on. Okay, intake manifold is back on. I did put on the fuel rail as well just to mock it up. I do need injector. That is one thing that I am missing. But engine is sitting pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and call it a video right there. Next off, I will show you guys the rack and pinion and chase bay install I am gonna do that in the next video. But after this video, I think I'm just gonna mock up everything in engine bay and go ahead and install the motor and transmission and see how it looks. Everything else that I need to get done, I think that motor could just be in there. But thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for that bad boy going in there.
Lexus on the beat.